Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thinking Crypto channel. I have some very bullish news to share with you all. We got Goldman Sachs adding Ethereum derivative support. Remember, they added Bitcoin, now they've moved to Ethereum. Bitcoin is getting adoption across Latin America. We have a major telecommunications company that has now accepting Bitcoin as payment. In addition, El Salvador, which made Bitcoin a legal tender, is now looking to pay employees in Bitcoin. And Bitwise, the company that is looking to get a Bitcoin ETF approved, has raised $70 million, and it includes billionaire Stan Druckenmiller. And we're going to break it all down. In addition, there's some big updates around Algorand. Now, before we get into it, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Guys, this video is sponsored by OKCoin, which has the lowest fees out of all exchanges. Be sure to use OKCoin to buy, sell, and trade your crypto. Link in the description. Be sure to sign up. Now, my interview with Ripple CTO David Schwartz will be live tomorrow. You don't want to miss this. We talk about the XRP Ledger, federated sidechains, PolySign's partnership with Cohen, and many more things. So be sure to have the notification bell enabled. And I have a free weekly newsletter. Be sure to sign up. Link in the description. So let's take a look at the market here. Bitcoin near $40,000. We are seeing some level of a breakout upwards as we discussed yesterday. But let's see how this rally plays out, right? Is it going to, go back down or keep going up? We shall see. There will be corrections on the way up even as we recover, right? And a well-known trader by the name of John Bollinger said, the bottom in place, price is trying to move higher. First real target is the bottom side of the prior range. Call it 48 to 50K. Play it as it lays. And he's hashtag Bitcoin. So he's saying the next target is like 50K, looking at how things are playing out. And that could certainly be possible, right? We have to crawl, walk, and run before we get back into new all-time highs, going past 64,000. And it could be the next target is like 75K, from a few months out. But in the immediate, maybe it's the 50K as he outlined there. We'll see. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, right? No one can really predict when these things are going to happen, but according to the macro level charts, we have another leg up in this bull run. So I'm certainly bullish, guys, and there's a lot of adoption that is taking place. The El Salvador government is discussing paying salaries in Bitcoin. Of course they are. They just made it a legal tender. So they're going to be mining Bitcoin with the energy from the volcano there. So big things ahead. In addition, Grayscale adds $2 billion in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies over the weekend. I think they know something we don't know, guys. They bought the dip, the accumulation phase, or the reaccumulation phase, if you want to call it that. So very, very interesting. Now, in addition, a leading telecommunications provider, GoldConnect, with locations in 17 Latin American countries, now accepts Bitcoin as payment. So we were talking about it when we heard the El Salvador news. Something big is going to happen in Latin America, because when El Salvador, announced their news, we saw people in Brazil, Mexico. I know Brazil is not Latin America, but Brazil, Mexico, Paraguay, Panama, these countries, all of a sudden, the representatives started turning bullish on Bitcoin and crypto. Many of them updating their profile photos with laser eyes, right? Indicating that they are bullish on Bitcoin. So something is happening here. And I think this is going to be an area where a lot of bullish news is going to come out from it, and crypto is going to have a huge impact there. So the future is bright here, and we'll keep a close eye on this. Now, check this out. The Department of Philosophy and Religious Studies at the University of Wyoming is now running a Bitcoin full node. So we are seeing universities and just random companies and so forth are running nodes for Bitcoin, but other cryptos as well. You look at Ripple and XRP, and you have a lot of interesting universities and companies that are running nodes for the XRP ledger. So great to see just the ecosystem and infrastructure being built across the board for different cryptos. Now, check this out. Goldman Sachs trading desk, crypto trading desk, expands to Ether. We've always talked about it, guys. Bitcoin is the gateway, the doorway. It's the brand that most folks start with, and then they go to the altcoins. Want to guess what they're going to do next after Ether? They're probably going to add, Litecoin, XRP, and so on and so forth. They're going to go down the list. So after being critical of cryptocurrencies, the Wall Street Investment Bank officially embraced Bitcoin earlier this year. It's now expanding its offerings to include Ether. Guys, Goldman Sachs is the largest investment bank in the world. This is huge, right? Matthew McDermott, Goldman's managing director of digital assets, confirmed Monday that the investment bank is expanding into Ether options and futures. In an interview with Bloomberg News, McDermott said, listen to this, institutional demand for cryptocurrencies will continue to grow despite the recent bout of market volatility. Want to know why? They are looking at it long-term, macro level. What do I always stress to you guys? Look at the macro level charts. Forget about the daily, hourly, weekly. Look at it from a macro level so that you see where we came from and where we're going. You got to have perspective here. And that's how I'm looking at it. And you got to be patient. Patience is the key here. Now, check this out, guys. Hedge fund giants Stan Druckenmiller, load back $70 million funding for crypto asset manager Bitwise. The Series B round values the firm at around $500 million. So they are a crypto investment firm with $1.2 billion of assets under management, and they're trying to make inroads in the country's $20 trillion financial advisory industry, and they've raised a significant amount of money, and look who are the folks involved, guys. Remember billionaire Stan Druckenmiller, he's now bullish on Bitcoin, he's invested in it, and now he's investing in the companies that are building in the crypto market. And this is important. So Bitwise, I've interviewed Matt Hogan from Bitwise. You guys may have seen my tweet. Let me pull it up here for you. I interviewed Matt Hogan, was it back in, February, and we talked about, their plans to get a Bitcoin ETF, and Matt has tons of experience. The man worked at ETF.com, I think it was, and they're one of the many throwing their hat in the ring for a Bitcoin ETF. So great company, great people, and it's amazing to see this level of success, and I'm happy for them, and it's great to see these companies are getting the funding. Now put your thinking cap on, your business thinking cap on. Why would Stan Druckenmiller and these other hedge funds invest in a company that invests in the crypto market? Because they see the potential for significant returns. They know how early we are, and they're looking at it macro level. Now check this out, guys. Miami real estate firm accepts crypto deposits for condos after the conference. So the Bitcoin conference was in Miami recently. So driven by momentum from the Miami Bitcoin event, luxury condo development E11EVEN Hotel and Residences has secured its first crypto deposit. This is adoption, guys. This is adoption. It's amazing. So speaking to Fox Business, company and condominium project co-founder Mark Roberts stated the enthusiasm for crypto has been really astounding. Roberts noted the local interest in crypto assets had peaked amid the recent Bitcoin Miami conference, which took place earlier this month and drew crowds of approximately 50,000 according to its organizers. So you're going to see more and more of this news, especially as, for example, some of you who are holding crypto as Bitcoin goes up and Ether and XRP and so forth. Some of you are going to make money. Some of you are going to buy stuff with crypto directly, right? So this is signs of the times and what is to come, my friends. I hope you see what's taking place. It's real world adoption. Finally, Algorand. You guys know I hold Algorand in my portfolio. I interviewed the COO, Sean Ford of Algorand, I think it was last year. And they're doing great things. Their blockchains are being adopted for the Marshall Islands CBDC. You can stake and earn rewards, which I've been doing. And here, this article states Algorand price strengthens as institutional investors back the project. Backing from institutional investors and a series of new partnerships could help Algo break its current range in the coming week. So the outlook is bullish. We've talked about some recent things. Maybe they may be working, on some items with XRP, Ripple, but Arrington XRP Capital, of course, Mike Michael Arrington, he just put $100 million to fund Algorand-based initiatives. So that is bullish, guys. I'm excited for the future of Algorand and the rest of the market. Big things ahead. So what do you guys think about this news? All bullish across the board. I'm diversified. So, when Bitcoin is getting adoption, that's good for my portfolio. When Algorand is getting adoption, it's good for my portfolio. When Ethereum is getting adoption, it's good for my portfolio. So I'm looking at things macro level, and I see money to be made on the horizon if we're all patient. So guys, leave your thoughts and comments below. Hit the thumbs up button, share this video, and I'll talk to you all later.